Hi there, I'm Cy, and today we're going to be reviewing this brand new Seagate HDD 5 terabyte hard drive, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to like it. I have a 4 terabyte hard drive that I've had for about 5 to 7 years. I'll show you that here right now. This is the Seagate 4 terabyte portable hard drive that I've had. It's worked great for me, and I'm just running out of space on it, so I got a new one that has the 5 terabytes, which is the one we're reviewing right now. Let's go ahead and unbox it. After we unbox it, we'll set it up on a Mac computer, and I'll show you how to set up the file system to work with both Mac and Windows computers. To be clear, with Windows, there's probably a step-by-step walkthrough that you can do when you connect your Seagate portable drive to your Windows PC. But in case you want to be able to use this on both Mac and PC, watch this whole video and you'll see exactly what to do. You can see my 4 terabyte version here, and let's go ahead and open up this 5 terabyte version and take it out. Looks very similar. You've got this quick start guide and whatever this might be. Let's go ahead and open this up here. Looks nice. And it's very similar in size to our old Seagate, and it looks like they have about the same length cord, which is maybe going to be close to 2 feet. And it looks like the 4 terabyte is just about the same size. Also, you will notice there's a slight difference here. This 4 terabyte model has a little light that lights up here. It's just like a dot light. And this newer model has a little line that lights up when it's turned on. They're very close in weight. As far as cord length, it looks like the 4 terabyte older model is about the same length as the new 5 terabyte model. You can see how big it is compared to my hand size. So it's pretty small. Give you a bit of a close-up here. And you can see that it shows that it's compatible with Mac, Windows, and Chromebook. It has a USB 3 compatible port, but that is also compatible with USB 2. Main difference between USB 2 and USB 3 is that USB 3 allows for faster read and write speeds. Speaking of read-write speeds, this Seagate portable drive has read-write speeds of 130 to 140 megabytes per second for both read and write. So now let's go ahead and plug this into our computer, and we're going to see exactly how to format it. Let's go ahead and connect. So in my case, I'm going to connect to a Mac Mini. So we'll go ahead and just plug it into the port. And now that we're plugged into the port, you can see that this little light come on, and I can also feel the drive spinning. And you can see that it's popped up on my screen as the Seagate portable drive. The next thing we're going to do is open up our disk utility, and we're going to format it. I'll show you how you could format it just for a Mac, but I'm also going to show you what to do if you want to format it for both Mac and Windows. So the next thing you can do is you can go to your search here at the top of your Mac and search disk utility. Here it is right here. Just go ahead and click on it. This shows my Macintosh HD, and I've also got the Seagate portable drive and another external drive. I want to make sure that I'm doing the Seagate portable because that is the one that I'm going to reformat. And in order to reformat it, I'm going to erase it. And so just make sure that you have picked the right drive. And so I know that this is my Seagate portable drive. That's the one that I'm going to reformat. To do that, I just go here and I click on erase, and I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to just call it Backup Plus 2 because I have another one. Then it says format system here, and you can see that it says NTFS. That would be if it was just going to be for Windows, but we don't want that. So if you're using an Apple and you only want to use it on Apple, you know you're not going to be transferring files between Windows and Apple, then APFS is perfect for just Mac computers. But in this case, I'm going to go back and forth between Windows and Mac computers, and I want to have exFAT for that. This is compatible with most operating systems. It's compatible with Mac and Windows, so that's what we're going to use. And once we've got it named and we've got our format chosen, we can go ahead and click erase. And we can go ahead and click done. And now our Backup Plus is ready to go. And you can see we've got 5 terabytes free approximately. And now we can go to our Finder window, for example, and I can click on Backup Plus, and I could, for example, transfer some files to it just to see how fast it works. But I'll just open up another tab here, and I'm going to go to this external drive, and we'll just go ahead and click in videos here, and you can see here that we've got this 2.8 gigabyte file. I'm just going to go ahead and transfer it to our Backup Plus and see how long that takes. See, it's copying, and that was pretty quick. It's almost done. Said it would take about 10 seconds or so. It's probably going to be like 15 seconds based upon a guess here. But you can see here now I've got this first file on my new Backup Plus system. You can see it transferred pretty quickly. I'm very happy with this. I already know that I like this brand and this hard drive because I have been using them. One more thing that would be important for you, if you want to make sure your data is saved correctly, you don't have to really click off of this to eject it, but you do want to make sure that you eject it before you disconnect it from your computer. Click the eject button on the Backup Plus. And now it's safe to disconnect it from our computer without corrupting your files because we ejected it properly. So let's go ahead and sum things up. I really like my brand new 5 terabyte Seagate portable hard drive. You know that I had the previous model for 5 to 7 years, and that's what inspired me to go ahead and get this newer version with more storage. At 5 terabytes, this offers a lot of storage for videos, photos, anything that takes up a lot of space. I'd say that the value is great for how much you pay. I feel confident that it's going to last for a long time. It does come with a 1-year limited warranty, and like I said, my older version I've had for 5 to 7 years. Now you know how to format your Seagate hard drive to make it compatible with both Windows and Mac computers, and I hope this video was helpful to you. So I hope you liked my review of the Seagate portable HDD 5 terabyte hard drive. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and share this video, and I will look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you so much for watching.